some folks say that a nigga will. Way down yonder in the barn. But I got a trouble in my foot still. Way down yonder in the barn.
What do you mean? Who did you say?
Did I see you, my cozy last evening, Brother Jackson?
Yeah, I was down there, but I wasn't feeling of it.
Well, I certainly saw you, and I saw Brother Thompson, too. I never can forget them thick lips of his.
Well, I was down there, but not to see you, and I wasn't feeling nothing either.
Well, it certainly do look very suspicious, yes. One had a shovel and the other had a hoe. Way down yonder in the cornfield, and if that ain't feeling, I don't know. Way down yonder in the cornfield, wake up and early, Lord, I'm going down to hold that corn. I'll be back when they blow that horn. Way down yonder in the cornfield, there's a steamboat coming around the bend. Don't you hear that whistle blow? Down on the Ohio, now that boat am landing, don't you hear that big bell ring? Now them crews am happy, don't you hear them fast sing? Round the meadows am ringing, the dark vocals while the mockingbird is singing, happy as the day I'm hear that mournful sound. All the night is a